How to view your blocked accounts on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To view your blocked accounts on Snapchat, first of all, you need to make sure that you update your Snapchat app to the latest version from Play Store or App Store. Now tap to launch it. Tap on Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Now from this profile feed, select gear icon at top right. Now scroll down and look for the option of blocked or simply the blocked users and open it. And here you will see all the blocked users on Snapchat. Since I don't have any blocked Snapchatters, there is no anyone. But if you have any, you can simply unblock them tapping on the cross mark next to it. And then they will be successfully unblocked from Snapchat. So, this is the wonderful way to view your blocked accounts on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.